Okay, we're going to put together the bed here. This is for two reasons. For other people interested, but also so that our customer that's buying this bed can see how to put it together in the U.S. Hopefully we can get enough videos here to give you a good idea how to do the assembly. We're also going to send some assembly instructions with the bed, step by step. We've made a special drawing for that. We want to make this as easy as possible. You can do this with 2 people, but it's much easier with 4. It's our new model of our Cinderella bed. This is made on the standard U.S. full-size mattress. We don't supply the mattress, but we can also produce this in a queen or king if somebody likes, or twin size. We're looking at making the design smaller than this also. This is the second time they put this together, so they're not experts at this. Well, they actually built it, so they're semi-experts. But anybody can do this, especially with our instructions we're going to provide. Should be simple as ABC. Simple as putting together a normal bed. As with any wood product, it's probably going to be a little bit of wood movement before it gets to the actual location where you'll be installing it. So you definitely need a good handyman that can kind of mold this thing into place. It won't be much, but for sure we make everything a tight fit for the best construction. So it's going to require somebody with a little bit of experience in moving and putting together things like this. And this is probably the part where you definitely be handy to have 4 people. And we made this out of a plywood panels, but it's very bulky. It's not so heavy. But, you know, to manage it, 2 people can easily lift it, but to manage it, it needs 4 people to position it in place. So just make a party and invite your friends over and tell them you want to see your new bed, and let them see it and help you put it together at the same time. In case you recognize the noise on the background, we are on the edge of a road here. We don't have no studio. We are a factory, so we don't have the pretty Hollywood dressings. Okay, now we're getting ready to put the decorations on. Also, I haven't included this yet, but I have the ideas to really make this thing perfect. It'd be nice to have curtains and, you know, some more cloth type trim work around it, but I'm gonna leave that up to the customers for now. Hopefully we can get some nice pictures back later of installed versions where the people decorate it up a little more nicer than what we sell. That's for sure. This, you know, we're giving the good base, solid base that you need here for a wonderful bed that a young girl can live in until she's a teenager, until she's ready to move out from home, I guess. And she can give this to her children because we build it solid. We're not building your standard retail junk. This is solid wood. As you can see, we got another one over here already in production, and we built this one out of beech wood. But this is very simple to put together. Like I said, 2 people could do it. Just take a little longer than it will for 4 people. And we're still in the process of, you know, I've been doing marketing in my name. Until a couple of years ago, we were mostly building furniture for a company called Old World Masters. You may see that logo on the shirt here. They're still in business, but right now we're marketing more direct. And you can go on our website and find locations where to buy our furniture at. Everything we build we can build custom made. Anything you want, if you can describe it, we can build it. I'm originally from South Carolina, but I've been living over here in Indonesia now for 12 years, I think. I forget the exact date. Haven't been back to the U.S. My wife is Indonesian and she had some immigration problems. So I moved over here, and over the past 12 years, you know, we finally got to this point where we're building super good furniture and we're building art. In the process of growing our business, the U.S. economy, and the president could straighten out the mess over there, we'd be doing really good right now because we really got our stuff down, what we need to do to produce. The problem is sales is just not what it should be because people are being careful with their money. But the thing about it is, you buy something like this, it's an investment. I mean, this is going to be an antique of the future. So you're not buying something that you have to replace next year. We build solid wood furniture. And we take a lot of care, and I take a lot of care because I love what we build. This is my design, 100%. And I wouldn't say 100% because I looked at a lot of ideas on the internet to come up with it. Move that out of the way here.